Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Wicked update items in Dress and Press game Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The latest update has been dropped, but this is not the winter update, just the update before the winter update or Christmas update. And in this update guys, all of the items from the Wicked update is already gone. In the previous update, you will find the Wicked room right here, but now it's gone, and I'm going to show you how you can still find or use the items from the Wicked update. So you're going to go to the dressing room or the changing room here, and then you can view the chest, and you just need to move to the Wicked update. Okay, this is the Wicked update, and you will be able to find all the items from Wicked update right here. For example, this Glinda dress and the Elphaba broom and so on. And okay guys, that's how you can find all the items from the Wicked update in Dress and Press. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!